Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to transfer money from Binance to Payoneer. So if you're in Payoneer and you have Binance and you want to transfer it, it's pretty simple. So this will not work for all regions because of Payoneer's policies, but on some it will work. So you will have to first go to P2P right here and then select your currency of course and then go to payment. Search for Payoneer, but sometimes it really won't appear because it's not compatible, such as mine. So using a VPN might work, but it's gonna auto locate your location, but sometimes it won't. So you will have to choose and try to actually link it up with Payoneer here because it's pretty hard to find Payoneer as a transaction provider in P2P. So right here, try to actually just look for a subsidiary for Payoneer and then send it to Payoneer after. So something like a e-wallet or such, so that you'll be able to sell it and transfer from Binance to Payoneer so you can actually get it in your Payoneer. And it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that's how you transfer money from Binance to Payoneer.